Hey guys, it's fall break, so I'm off and I temporarily graduated to the shop so we could do body work. Today we're going to be sanding the inner wheel wells with an electric sander and 80 grit sandpaper.
So I know a lot of people don't have, like a big air tank, air compressor and everything else. So you can actually get these wired random waterproof sanders online. Amazon sells them. The 6-inch is a hook and loop, meaning it's a Velcro sandpaper. And today, kind of showing Lucas how to start basic beginner body work. So we're gonna be sanding this down. We're gonna use 80 before we use our epoxy on top of it. And anytime you use a sander, always kind of get used to the trigger. This one you can actually throttle on, high and low. And you want to start on flat surfaces with the sander flat. As you sand, you'll be able to see where you're making contact. It's not so much now that you have to worry about, but later on, if you dig into a piece of metal like this, it'll cut a groove, a low spot, and you have a valley. This is the end of the wheel well. You're not really too much worried about that since it has all these grooves, but something like a quarter pound over here, if you would sand this and you dig into it, you'll create waves along the body. But for something like this, we're just gonna be, sanding a little bit.
So update, I got the panel sanded all the way around. Still got some spots. For this spot, you go in with your hand. For spots like this, you go in with your hand and you just get it. And then I also got the inside. Again, you have to get a piece of sandpaper and with your hand get this parts that you can't reach with the electric sander. That's about it. Now we're gonna go ahead and wipe them down with the wax and grease remover. Take a paper towel and just rub it. This is to prep it for the paint. Get all the wax off and any grease if there is any after you've sanded. Get all the oils, fingerprints, dust. We got the inner wheel wells prepped for tomorrow so we can paint them. And over here, my dad has his project that he's been working on, almost finished.